Hello everyone, I'm Chef Troy from Classic Bastards Catering, and I'm here today to make your life easy with some of my great food hacks I got here today. And today I'm going to create my signature lasagna. Yeah, I had a taste for lasagna. I had a little extra sauce left from my bolognese lasagna spaghetti I made a couple of days ago, so I want to use the rest of the filling to make my signature lasagna. So I'm going to put it together. I think I got enough to put two of them together, but I'm gonna make the first one first, and then if I got more time, I'm going to make the second one because I got two small pans. I'm gonna do one in this one right here. And then if I got time, I'm gonna do one in this one right here because I'm working with limited space in my cooking apparatus. So let's get to it. Thank you for watching my video. Shout out to all my subscribers out there. Happy Super Wildcard Sunday to all the teams that are still in it. If your team still in the race, in the wild card, put your name, put your comments in the chat. My boys, the Panthers, we going through some stuff right now. We got coaching problems, we got owner problems, we got problems. But next year, we're going to be back and ready to go. So don't y'all forget about the Carolina Panthers. Put in the comment below if your team's still in the wild card playoffs. Shout out to all the teams that's still in the wild card playoffs. It's going to be great. Super Bowl going to be great. Usher halftime, all that good stuff. Okay, let's make the lasagna. Let's go. Okay, first thing, I'm going to put some gloves on. Even though I'm making my own lasagna, the chef still like to be politically correct. And what I got, the stuff I got for my lasagna, I got the noodles. Got mozzarella cheese. Sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, cottage cheese. I ain't going with ricotta. I would normally put ricotta in it, but I got cottage cheese. It's gonna be like it's gonna be like the real old school lasagna when you do it with cottage cheese. What you know about that? And I got my signature bolognese sauce is gonna be layering it. Okay, let's get here. I think I'm gonna make two of them. Gonna make both of them off the rib. I think I got enough for everything. Let's do it and see how I go. I'll do the first one first. And we come back next. Okay. Get my noodles here. Our table is clean and sanitized. So I'll be doing some cutting here. So I can lay it. Let's drop that on the floor. Won't be picking that up. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is layer it with my bolognese spaghetti that I made. Now this spaghetti right here, I'm telling you, was good. I wish I had more people who could have tasted, but I had a few people to taste and I gave a few plates out. But you know me, I've been cooking for thousands of people, cooking for the Charlotte Hornets and cooking for some football teams. So I don't know how to just make a little bit of food. I do bulk cooking. I know how to cook in bulk. Okay, next. Okay, I'm gonna cut these down. I'm gonna utilize everything. Cut my noodles down. I'm gonna layer it. So everybody ready for the Super Bowl? Everybody ready for Super Bowl parties? Everybody ready to see Usher for the halftime show. I'm gonna put more layers on here. This is gonna be good. They had no lasagna in I done that last year, 2 years ago, I done a lasagna for my restaurant I had. That's the last time I done it. Okay, next, open this cottage cheese up. It's already open. Everybody got a good look, okay. My thing. Yeah, you know when you think you got everything and you realize you ain't got it. Sorry guys. Okay, I'm gonna put some more sauce on these noodles. Yeah, I'm excited about this lasagna. I got garlic bread too. And I got a great tossed salad. But what made me want to make this lasagna is I made this great spaghetti, and it wouldn't be no justice if I throw this away. So I had to make sure I had it straight. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a layer of cottage cheese on top. And spread it like through it. Yep, so I can make sure I got enough. Who likes cottage cheese? This is a real lasagna with the cottage cheese right here. You know, yeah, this is how they used to make it back in the 70s right here. I love cottage cheese in my lasagna. I'm gonna mix it around a little bit, because I wanna make sure I got plenty for my next layers of it. This right here, this lasagna right here is gonna be layers of flavor. Layers of flavor. Put it in the comments below. Layers of flavor. Okay, got that first one right there. Okay. Gonna bring out some more noodles. I love cooking for y'all on my YouTube channel. I have a deep passion for cooking. Okay, I'm gonna put another layer on here. Yeah, so I already got my first 2 days of my meal prep. So these right here is gonna be my second days of my meal prep right here. This lasagna. So I won't be eating this lasagna for lunch tomorrow. I'll be eating my lamb chops. Y'all seen the video, y'all gonna see the video on that. Y'all gonna see the video on that starting tomorrow. I'd like to give a shout out to everybody who's celebrating Martin Luther King holiday tomorrow. I know most people are off tomorrow. Clemson is off tomorrow. So I got to work though, but it'll be a great day of service to anybody who wanna give back to the cause. Martin Luther King believed in on his day to do a day of service, and I'm gonna do something tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna take some food. I got this homeless camp I'll be feeding up in the Clemson, South Carolina, and I think I'm gonna take them some of this lasagna tomorrow, and I'm gonna set up a little buffet for them, at their campsite. Okay, put some cheese on it. I wanted to make sure that bottom was going to be juicy. So I just started my cheese right now. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna make this one more layer. I'm gonna make this one more layer. And then I have plenty of cheese to do one for the next one. Okay, next I'm gonna add a few little drops of my mozzarella cheese on top of it. Okay, mozzarella cheese. Okay, and then I'm gonna do one more row of noodles. I'm gonna make it high. I wanna have it protruding out the top. I'm gonna have the cheese running over the sides. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's how I'm going with it. Another layer of these noodles. Okay, got more. Yeah, I'm gonna have plenty to make too. I'm gonna make two because I'm gonna make some for the homeless camp tomorrow. I'm gonna have a whole one I can do for them. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna put another layer of sauce. Okay, and I'm gonna spread this sauce evenly all over this. So make sure everything's covered. I want this to be juicy. I want this to be succulent. That's what I'm going for. Because I'm into infusing layers of flavor. You hear me saying layers of flavor all the time. Okay, it's gonna be enough right there. I'm gonna say something for my batch right there. I'm gonna smooth it all over again. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back with some more cottage cheese. Just gonna spread this on here pretty evenly, and then I'm gonna just spread it around. This is gonna be good. Okay, pal. Cottage cheese from end to end. Okay, and then okay, next. Okay, I'm gonna put some more cheese on this one. This one, I'm wrapping this one right here. It's about to be a wrap. Let me tell you, get a little closer so y'all can see this up close and personal. More cheese. Okay, and then I'm going to go with some sharp cheddar. Where we at on there? Okay, come. Good. 20 minutes. Okay, this is sharp cheddar. I want to make sure I cover it from end to end. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see every edge of it? Okay. Right there. And then I'm gonna add a few more little pieces of I'm gonna break these up. I'm gonna break these up good. I want these to be in pieces. I don't want there to be no thick mozzarella pieces on there. I want this to be layers of flavor. Say it with me. You say it with me, subscribers. This is gonna be layers of flavor. Yeah, I learned that term from working in the restaurant business. You know, I've been a chef for 30 years. I was a chef for the Charlotte Hornets for 16 years. I worked for the Carolina Panthers for 7 years. And I cooked for the Clemson football team for 2 years. Before I retired last year, at Clemson, professionally cooking, so I only cook for my business, Classy Baskets Catering. Yeah, no more professional cooking for me. I always, I have so many great cooks and chefs, and I always told myself I didn't want to die in the kitchen. I know so many chefs and stuff, they died in the kitchen and stuff like that, and I don't want to die in the kitchen. I want to die doing what I want to do, and just because I work and cook, I just had to get out the kitchen. Okay, I got that on top. Okay, so this one right here is done. This lasagna right here is ready. Yeah. So I'll be letting this lasagna right here sit for about 30 minutes and let it settle down. I'll put it in the refrigerator and let it settle down. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven. Then I'll come back and show y'all the finished product. Thank you for watching my video. Chef Troy cooking my signature lasagna made with my leftover bolognese spaghetti I made this past week. Thank you for watching my video. Look forward to more videos coming out with Chef Troy doing my other delicacies and recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Chef Troy in the upstate, and I'm out. Have a great week.